our program is right or wrong, we can check with through this also. So this is very useful to learn logical skills. So I am writing biggest of three numbers in flowchart. So in the flowchart, this is a starting figure and this is the ending figure. In between that we can write more, that is input devices, input assignments and output statements can be write, and you can use decision box, that is if class, and you can use a loop whenever we write tables like that, and we can assign any number to anyone. So for that we can use a rectangle box like that. So these are starting and ending box are nothing but connecting boxes that are called representing figures of flowchart. So now I am going to write about finding largest of three number. So I have to write three numbers. I have to give input as three numbers. So first of all I want to save it. So I am saving as a largest of three numbers. Largest, I just saved as a largest. So right. So I am giving entering three numbers. Enter first number. So that we have to write in the double quotation, and we have to assign any one variable. That is, I am assigning here a as the first number. So first number assign, and the second number again, second and third also we have to assign here, right? So the second number is assigning, again writing in double quotes, enter second number, and the quotes must be end with double quotes, and I am assigning a variable for that as a b. So it is b I gave, and third number also I am entering input, giving I am inputting. That means, A, B, C are three numbers we are giving. Out of that we are going to find whether which one is a big one we are going to write. So enter the third number. I use it to see as a variable I took as a third number, and now three numbers entered, and now we have to compare A and B first and then A and C next. Like that we can compare. If A is greater than B and greater than C, then definitely A will be a big number. So that I am comparing first A and B. A is greater than B or not. First I am comparing, so that A greater than B, a condition I am giving here. So A greater than B, this is the condition. If it is true, it will pass through the yes side. Then there we have to compare again whether A is greater than C also or not. We can compare. So if A is greater than B and greater than C, definitely we know that A is a biggest of number, biggest of three numbers. So that A is we can print as A is a biggest number. A is a largest of three numbers. So here I have to close the quotation and take plus symbol, and a variable you must write here, because this is a the way of taking outputs. And if A is not a biggest, already we compared A and B here and A and C here, so A is not a big one, then definitely there will be C is a biggest number. When A is not a biggest, C is a biggest number. When A is not greater than B, and then A is greater than C, then C is called as a biggest number. So here I am taking input as output as a C is biggest number. C is the largest number. largest number. That is, again we have to give assignment as like this. So now, so we compared A and C here, finished. If first only in the first condition, if condition A is not bigger than B, so then B compared with C, that means A and A, instead of A is not a big one than the B, that means the biggest number must be among the B and C. So that again we can compare B and C. If B is bigger than the C, B is a big one, or definitely C will be a big one. So B is compared with C. If B is a big one, we can take as B is a largest one. And quotation close plus and B. Yes, if it is B is not big one, definitely we can take C is a big one here. So that also we can take as in output. Then C is the largest one. Quotation close plus C. So now we can check whether it is the right procedure to find the biggest number of among three numbers or not. So it is executable program Raptor is, so that we can execute it now. So here you can see executing this is executing of completion. I'm clicking on this, so that will be we have to enter the first number. We have given a variable so that we can give any number for A is I'm giving 12 as a and it is asking B also. I'm giving 15 as a B, and C is also asking, that is I'm giving 10. Then so we know already 15 is a big one. Whether it is gives or not, we can check it. Yes, that is given that B is the biggest largest one, 15 it is given. So we can check another one also. If enough we checked with the B, so then we give A is a big one, then 8 I am giving A, and 7 I am giving B, and 5 I am giving C. So we know already A is a big one. It is it right or not, we can check it. A is the largest of three numbers, 8. It is also executed. And last one we'll check whether C is comes or not, right? Okay, right. 6 I am giving A, and 4 I am giving B, and 9 I am giving C. So yes, the answer also C is a big one. So this is Raptor, which can be used to execute flowchart. So by this we can learn logical skills. So this is saving and closing. Right.